No.
Harami, you harami.
I am helping her with her assignment.
No help.
You harami.
No. Only assignment. I help her with assignment. After that,
Hey, what you? Hey, girls, what is your name? What is your name?
our name. Our name.
Yes, and the friend, what is your name?
Her name is Chimma.
Anepis.
Yeah.
Anepis, how are you?
How are you? How are you?
How are you?
How are you? She's fine.
You go toilet kissing.
No. Best friends. Best friends. Best friends.
Best friend, but easy.
No best.
Brother.
I am her private teacher. Private teacher.
Yes.
Yeah,
You what
private
country
teacher.
life? What country life?
Tuition with akhi. Tuition.
Thailand.
Tuition wala.
Thailand. You
Yeah.
girls, where you from? Girls, where you from?
Thailand.
Hey, girls, you why no speaking?
I like it.
Ramzada
Go,
with the sat
come
kade
back.
dewa
Go back.
Okay, that's fine. No problem.
Go back.
Okay, I will close it. Okay. Yeah, because you speak so quick. I don't understand you. Okay. Okay.
Hey,
No.
Anta,
The
you
comment.
teacher?
Okay.
Comment.
Hey, go.
No.
Fine.
Hey, you want a you teacher?
Go.
Okay.
You my teacher, yeah, you the teacher.
Yeah, I am teacher. She is student.
مانا دا کان ورغلی نو مکه پرې چې سم شعر واخلو.
Hey, حرامي ته د تورینو ته وګوره چې دا استادان دي. Hey, me be teacher, come, hey girls, come my room, me teacher.
سونه خوشاله ده.
Hey girls.
سونه پړقې.
Hey, تورې جام شو. حرامي ورته سات نه. Hey girls, hey, Thailand. Hey, Damur, hey, the اشارو والا جنای. Hey girls.
Don't mind joking. Huh?
You go.
Hey, my brother.
You
Yeah.
closing.
Brother, you maybe teacher. You want the girls send me teacher.
No. She only wants me to be her teacher. I am private teacher. Private.
Girls, me teacher, come.
No, not you. Only me. Good teacher. Only me. Good teacher. My student. Only
Girls, my be student. You come. Come my room,
me.
me single, come.
No. You old for her. She young, small. Hey, guys, same age.
Old. مو خو شاګردانو دونه شوخان به وایي دا د نسړي نو میږي غلي دا کنه نه پسکای بنده کړي زلاړم عبد الله ابن نظر پسکای بنده مکه وې مریضه ده مریضه بدیسی مریضه بدیسی یا بیا مو خو شاګردانو موږ د څه خبرې کولې استاد جی ما ته درس ویو استاد چپ ولته خلک کینه خو تارانه کوګنو خوړو دا څنګه شاګرد و د شاګردان خو دې مال راکی دا چې شاګردان مې پکار دي دې ته چار رنګ خبره کړه غلی ناس ته وای چې دا پکې ده د تورینم شاګردان شته یا بیا کش کې مم تعلیم کړی یار دوستانو مړه کش کې مې تعلیم کړی یا الله